So we're going to make calamari stuff.
I'll start,
Okay.
and then you help me.
Okay.
All right, so we have, to make the stuffed calamari, we have the calamari already cleaned. We have the bodies, and these are all the tentacles. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up all the tentacles. And this is what's gonna go inside the stuffing. So we got that chopped up. I have a frying pan. We're gonna put some garlic and olive oil. And we're gonna get that hot. With the bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
Korea.
All of it?
Oh, I think it's too much. Okay.
That's
It's
good.
enough.
Now what?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto. We have chopped prosciutto.
Mozzarella.
We have chopped up mozzarella. All of it.
The cheese. Parmigiano cheese.
Yeah.
It's too much. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Parsley. I like to open the egg and dish. Okay.
In case the egg is bad, we open it in a dish instead of putting it directly into the stuffing.
Okay.
The garlic is brown, so I'm going to add the calamari, the tentacles. This is a dish that it's a lot of work, so I don't really like to make it. So I always ask my mom to make it for me. And anyway, she makes it better than I do anyway, so.
No. We wait a bit.
So you want to let this all dry off? Let it dry?
Yeah, not all the way.
This is basically done. You just want to like cook off the calamari and let it release all of its juice. But you want to let it cool off. Ready?
Okay.
The only thing else we got to do after we stuff it is we got to close them with toothpicks, right?
Yeah.
All right. One. Two. We're gonna give a little fry in the oil.
There's a lot of flavor.
And now we're gonna add the white wine. And we're gonna add tomato. A little bit of salt, oregano, pepper, and parsley. And we're going to give it a cover and let that simmer for what?
That's
Like
done.
10 minutes, and it'll make a nice sauce, and that's it. You can either cook pasta and eat it with pasta or eat it like that. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Looks done.
Oh,
See that?
that's delicious.
Let's see, let's put it in the dish.
Oh, Marco, where's my fork? I want to eat. Wow, that's beautiful. beautiful.
I think we
Put
did a
some
great job. It came out
parsley.
good.
That. Beautiful. Okay. It's a beautiful dish because it's nice